I don't know what's wrong with me, but we're just gonna kick it. Grease lightning style. It's your girl, Beauty by Lydia B, and I'm back with kind of like a really pinky, rosy theme here. I am completely inspired by Tailor Made Jane. She's on Instagram. I've been seeing a lot of her posts lately and just going through her history. And I wanted to try something different, really different, and really dramatic. So I kind of went out of my comfort zone and just kept, not saying that this is what she does, but for my sake and for the sake of the pictures and for the camera, I really kind of went deeper. When I thought it was enough, I kind of just put more color on just to see how intense I could get it to be. So I'm hoping you guys like this look. The lippy is from our BoxyCharm by Pretty Vulgar. The color is in My Lips Are Sealed. That is the lippy with the Jante Blue liner from, I think, another BoxyCharm. The color of that one was Brown Sugar. Lashes are the Ardell's 251s again. The brushes, you guys. I am literally using three, where's the third one? 3 Wet n Wild brushes. For some reason, these are really working for me. It's the flat, kind of liney looking one. Looks like a liner, I don't know. The flat shader brush. They're dirty, sorry. I've been using them. And the crease brush, I'm gonna call it. They don't really come named, but I found them at the Dollar Tree and they're working for me. I think everybody loves a bargain, know what I'm saying? So that's what I used for my brushes. Highlight is brought to you by the High Beam by Benefit and the LA Splash Pigment in Nude Diamonds. This is an oldie for me. I've never used it in a video. I wanted something really shimmery as a highlight and a brow bone, and the inner corner first color for my eyelid space anyway. So hopefully if you're interested in that, you can find it. Again, Nude Diamonds. The pink pigment is Birthday Wish by Makeup Geek. And my brows, I went and got the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in Granite. I'm noticing all of my intros are really, really long, probably just as long as the rest of the video. So I'm gonna shut the fuck up and get to the tutorial. So if you like this look, keep on watching. Oh, the glitter, Urban Decay, Distortion. Let's get to it, y'all.